Hi guys! Today I'm talking about a product that everyone who did the Sparkle Skincare Challenge received. Believe it or not, everybody got this little guy here called Osmosis Rescue. I mean, I'm not really surprised that everybody got that recommendation because technically it's one of the #1 SKU that we sell here, and I love that guy. So why everybody got it? Well, everybody, I read all your concern, and everybody have some kind of inflammation in their body. Seriously. If you have broken capillaries, if you have sensitivity, if you're overly dry, if you're overly oily, if you have melasma, seriously, I felt like everybody was dealing with some kind of inflammation on their skin, and that's exactly what Osmosis Rescue does. So this product here, it's an epidermal repair. Your epiderm, that's the part of your skin that you see, okay? And it's important, right? It's really the health of that epiderm is how your skin will naturally protect itself against the environment and the sun and the pollution, the free radical. Like that's like the biggest organs that you have, and it's alive. And I found there's too many people out there that are trying to exfoliate it and to, just create even more damage into your epiderm. And I noticed that a lot of people that are using a lot of exfoliant, moisturizer, wrong cleanser, a bad diet, exposed to the sun, not sunscreen, like all of that create damage, and it strips your epiderm. And that epiderm is essential. And having a strong epiderm will actually help with enlarged pores. Okay, and that's another thing that I felt like everybody was sensitive, or if you were not, you had enlarged pores. And enlarged pores are a sign of your body like having inflammation in it. So the thing is with this guy, it will actually rebuild your epiderm. So by rebuilding your epiderm, you're protecting, I guess, calming any kind of inflammation, because when you have like a really thin epiderm, your body have tendency to send more blood at the surface, so redness, broken capillaries and all that, enlarged pores. If you're oily, like all that, right? You can kind of stimulate your oil production, and that's why. And then if you have like an epiderm that's stripped, maybe too thin, it makes your skin more prone to hyperpigmentation, stimulate your melasma, like all that, because your epiderm is there to protect your skin. And that's why everybody got the rescue, because I want everybody to rebuild that essential part of their skin. So how this guy works, I give you enough product to be able to use it morning and night. And I think that's how you should be using it for 2 weeks. Use that guy, wash your face, put your antioxidant, put your rescue, and morning and night. And do that for at least, if you're really inflamed in the red, at least for 4 days, and then you can start using your vitamin A and vitamin C. And for some people, like keep doing it for like 2 weeks straight. You'll see amazing results from it. Calm inflammation, calm redness, enlarged pore, that brightening, and it will really help your skin doing what it should be doing anyway. And when you have that good epiderm, I swear all the products that you're going to use will work better, because like if you're so inflamed, like your skin don't even want to have like those ingredients in it, it just want to calm itself. So rescue, it comes, you would have got it in a little jar, just scoop it, just like the fingernail, put it all your face, everywhere. You need to leave it on. If you have the bottle like that, it's like half a pump. I'm warning you, the product the product don't really smell good. Some people are like, ooh, this it's a different smell, because there's a lot of oxygen in the product. So that's totally normal, and some of the ingredient, but yeah, like it just don't, some people actually like it. It kind of smells clean, but I'm just telling you, warning you. But yeah, apply that at least twice a day for 4 days, up to 2 weeks. After 2 weeks, you can start using the product maybe once a day. And I found like half a pump each time is it's good. You can buy the activating mist to make the product last longer. But really important product, love it. You know, so if you have any question about this little guy, make sure that you reach out. I'll be more than happy to answer your question. And actually, if you have acne, also good product. If you have like bug bite, all that, you can use. Any kind of epidermal damage that you have, Rescue will be your lifesaver. So I hope this helped understand this product. If you have any question, just go in the Facebook group. I'll answer all of them over there. Have a good day. Bye-bye.